talking about challenges for religious life in Colombia, not only for the Company of Mary, but religious life as a whole. I was sharing with the sisters before lunch about a kind of phenomenon that for us is questioning our life very much, and it's the appearance of many new religious institutes that have been founded for about 10, 15, 20 years, and they are attracting young people, and it's something that well, it takes us to ask ourselves, why is it that young people are preferring these new institutes rather than the traditional ones? Just to say thank you for the opportunity of participating in this meeting of LCWR. For me, it's a good opportunity to get to know a little bit religious life in the United States, which I don't know very much. Thank you.
The challenge for us are the new technologies and the weakening prophecy of the prophecy, change in the theology and directions of the bishops. We still have not discovered how to promote vocations in the urban reality.
That we minister to old people, we have our hospitals. Some of these things we don't have enough facility or means to run them, so sometimes they are challenging, and our apostolate is like handicapped. So some of the projects we have at hand, we don't have enough money to continue with them. The young ladies and the young kids that we take care of, we have to provide for them, we have to educate them. All these things, they need money, and that money, we have limited resources to take care of all these projects we have for humanity.
China, one of the concerns is that we have the one-child policy, and a while back some of the young women that they are from the one-child family home, so whenever they said yes to God, and that is the only child they offer from their family, so that's one of the concerns for religious life, that they have to really think about the life and answer the call of God.
We are facing a very difficult time, politic and economic, and I can say social, and the crisis is so deep for us, for all the people, and it is in those situations that we are doing our ministries. Our priority is the youth, but also the women and the families. We live a very difficult time, a time of violence. To be a religious woman in the country means to try to be next to the poor, the people who are hopeless. We have around us many women, young girls who are victims of the rape, of all kinds of violence, sometimes rebels or army from a neighboring country burn our houses, destroyed our cultures, our farms, and people they are waiting for help, but we don't have any help from anywhere. So we are witness of this poverty. We try to help people to fight, not with arm, but with, I will say, peace, but to know what we are looking for. We know that violence can't fight violence, but people know how to pray. They try to protest, even though they will be the target of the revenge of all those groups. I want to say thank you to have been part of this event, and to let know what we are living in the Congo, because sometimes I think the silence from the situation in the Congo is too hard for us to live. And when little by little people will know what we are living, we hope that the situation can change. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
There are very few Catholic. So where we are in India, North India, people are very much Hindu. So we are facing the problem to be a sister. We are facing the problem to be as like a religion, because they are sometimes because we don't have freedom to practice our religion. Even though we have freedom to use our habit and our will, but most of the time people persecute us and ask us, even though we are facing this problem. And also our life is concerned most of the time is poverty, because most of the people where we are is very poor, and the people try to, like a robber, they try to enter our house. So we need to be security in our house, and because we need to be safe as a sister, and all the places wherever we go, we don't go alone because it's not safe. So we go 2 or more sisters, we go together to buy something or store. In any place we go, always we go 2 or 3 or more sisters. I am very happy to be in this congregation because the Lord brought me in this congregation, and I love my vocation, I love my congregation too.
Life in Mexico for the sisters is very nice, because we focus with life and very strong life in community. We pray 3 times a day. We work together.
Our challenges in Mexico right now in our congregation is try to get more vocations, and also try to keep the vocation there. Many girls and boys is a little difficult to keep in congregation because they are very independent. So they don't like to depend for the superiors or people to ask do that and do this. So it's right now it's difficult.
These Korean people cannot accept the different race, other immigrant people's child, so they can create problems. So our sisters, to go take care of them and teach them Korean culture and to be with them, to consult them and teach them Korean food, Korean cultures, things like that. Especially we are working, it's not only our sister, but our congregations in Korea, and so always they are starting with major superiors association, and so we are working to how to get North Korea, get into North Korea, to work with them, to give them faith, hope, things like that. Well, I'd like to say thank you to invite me this opportunity to I can share with sisters, our part, what I know, but they don't know, so I can share with them. Yes, I appreciate that.